Hello, Year 7, and welcome to Week 2. We thought we'd start off this week, Lesson 1, with a bit of a creative activity for you. So, this video is going to be quite short, and you can find the instructions on this video as well on Show My Homework, as well as some links to some other types of pinhole cameras and other videos of people making pinhole cameras. So that is the title and that is the lesson for today. It's making a pinhole camera. So you're going to be learning about how cameras work in this lesson. So it is the simplest type of camera, a pinhole camera. Okay, it doesn't have any lenses whatsoever, and the image forms upside down at the back of the camera, just like an image would form upside down in the back of your eye before your brain then flips that image. So we're going to be making a pinhole camera, and these are the instructions. So the equipment you're going to need for today is an empty toilet roll tube. Okay, hopefully you've got some of those lying around because toilet paper is like gold currently. So hopefully you've got one of those. Some sellotape, some tin foil, some greaseproof paper or baking paper you might call it, 2 rubber bands, and then a piece of black paper. If you can't get your hands on black paper, any dark paper will do. It doesn't exactly have to be black. So you're going to, step 1, cover your toilet roll, 2 ends of it. On one end, you're going to cover it in some tin foil, and then on the other end, you're going to cover it in some of that greaseproof or baking paper. And then you're going to secure both of those with a rubber band. So one end's going to be silver, and one end's going to be covered in baking paper. Then what you're going to do is cut your black paper to size, and then you're going to cover the whole of the tube in black paper so you can only see the ends, so the greaseproof paper on one end and the aluminium foil or tin foil on the other end. You're then going to make a tiny little hole in the middle of the tin foil. Really, really small hole. Use a pen prick or a pencil prick or a pin and make a tiny, tiny little hole. Then place that hole near a small lamp or a torch or something like that, so there's bright light shining through that hole, and then look through your baking paper or the other end through the roll. Then you just need to move it back or forwards until you can get a clear image of the light source on the greaseproof paper or greaseproof screen. Okay, so that is your task for today. All right, you can pause the video here or you can open the PowerPoint attached to Show My Homework, and you are going to create for me a pinhole camera. And once you've done that, try and show your parents for me. Okay, so what's happening, as you can see, looks like this. So you've got the light coming from each side of your object through the pinhole, and then because it's coming through the pinhole, such a small hole, it actually ends up being flipped. And that's why we've got this flipped image of the pinhole camera. So have fun, Year 7, creating your pinhole cameras. I hope you have some success. And hopefully in September, I'd love for you to come in and show me your pinhole cameras, or better yet, email me a picture of your pinhole cameras to my email address. I will include that on Show My Homework. I'd love to see some pictures of your pinhole cameras. Have fun doing it. Enjoy today's lesson. And remember, have fun, because science is all about fun and learning.